The conveyancer then starts preparing his documentation for signature. The purchaser will be contacted to come in to sign his new bond documentation as well as his transfer documents, and the seller will be contacted to come and sign transfer documents. Once the clients have come in to sign their transfer documents, costs are discussed with the purchaser. This is a very important part of the process because it enables the conveyancer to apply for the necessary clearances with SARS and the local municipality. These clearances need to be obtained prior to the documents being sent to Cape Town, which is where the seat of our deeds office is for Port Elizabeth properties. Those clearances are then sent to Cape Town together with the signed transfer documents. Once the purchaser has paid these costs as requested, it takes approximately 2 weeks to obtain the necessary clearances from SARS and from the municipality. So the purchaser has now come in to sign his documents, the seller has come in to sign his documents, purchaser has paid his costs, we've applied for clearances, and 2 weeks after that we now receive these clearances from the municipality and SARS. We are now ready to prepare the batch for lodgement purposes. Everything is then combined, the new bond documents, the cancellation documents for the existing bondholder, as well as the new transfer documents. The whole batch is sent to correspondent attorneys in Cape Town. We have our own correspondent attorneys in Cape Town, so we send our documents to Gravensteins Cape Town. They lodge those documents with the deeds office. We call them simultaneous transactions or SIMLs, which means that the cancellation documents, transfer documents and new bond documents must be lodged simultaneously in one cover at the deeds office. Once these documents have been lodged at the deeds office, it goes through the checking phases called levels at the deeds office. There are 3 levels, levels 1, 2 and 3. Once documents get to level 3, which is on round about the 14th day after lodgement, we know that the documents have been found to be in order. Once the documents have been checked at the deeds office and something is not in order, the deeds office will reject those documents. Those documents will then have to be returned to the conveyancers. They will have to correct whichever mistakes were found on the set of documents and re-lodge. Like I said, if on level 3 everything has been found to be in order, the transaction will then come up on prep, which means the deeds office is happy with the quality of the documentation and they are now giving the conveyancer the opportunity to hand in for registration. The conveyancer has 4 days to hand in for registration. If he's not in a position to do so because, for example, he doesn't have an electrical wiring certificate or some of the conditions have not been complied with, he has 4 days to do so. Alternatively, the documents will come out of the deeds office and he will have to re-lodge again. If everything is in order on the deeds office side and on the conveyancer side, once it comes up for prep or on prep, the conveyancer will hand in the documents for registration and registration will be effected the following day.